Hey everyone, it's Caroline and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a video about places to apply highlight. Now, before we get into this video, there are a few things I would like to address because a few things are kind of different. So first things first, new background. There is currently a couch and a counter behind me. That is because, once again, Lord knows, I have moved yet again. However, this is hopefully, say a little prayer to the spirits, the last time I will move for a few years. I am currently in my first big girl apartment. Very excited. I have been here since last Tuesday. I'm currently filming on today, Sunday, which I never do. Filming the day I upload. So anyways, I am currently in my new home. This, however, is not the new background. I have a bonus room that I'm turning into a filming room, studio, beauty room, what have you, whatever you want to call it. However, I currently cannot really walk in there because I'm still unpacking. So we are filming out in my living kitchen area for a little while. Second of all, I am also not using a camera or my phone because of the fact that I don't really know where a tripod is right now, and I currently cannot get to my camera. So I'm currently using my computer. So it's not great, but it's gonna have to do for today's video. Hopefully I can make like a makeshift tripod or something for the next video. Third of all, I know where most of my makeup is. It's currently in a corner over there. In nice little shoe boxes. However, I don't really have a place to unpack it. And it's somewhat organized, but it's not organized that well. So, I did, however, receive my monthly glam bag in the mail, and one of the things in there was a highlighter. So that's why I was like, okay, we're doing a places to apply highlight video. So that's where that idea came from, so I could still post something worth watching, and yeah. So it's sort of tutorial-ish, kind of, sort of, along those lines, still keeping with the theme. Fourth of all, and this is, I believe, the last thing, I am now going to start posting twice a week. So today, Sunday, is still going to be a tutorial / how-to, because that's just what it's been for the past month, and I like doing those on Sundays, and yeah. And then my second upload day is going to be Tuesday. I don't know the time I will be aiming for because Lord knows I haven't even been doing that well with the 9 a.m. time. But I've been doing it today, so that's good. I'm going to start to do product reviews on Tuesdays. So Sunday is tutorial, Tuesday is product review. And also, I'm going to start to link my Instagram down below because I want to start getting back into posting on that as well. I'm probably going to only post at first once a week just because of the fact that I am easing back into it and I haven't posted consistently on there in years. So that is that. One last thing before we get into the video, make sure to take a moment, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, all those things that you can be notified every time I upload a new video, which will now be twice a week, which is very exciting. And by the way, I'm proud of myself. I'm still doing a video despite all this moving craziness. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the highlighter I will be using is by Ofra, and it is in the shade Soho. And I'm trying to break it, and I haven't even had the week. And I'm going to go get that now, so I shall be back. I'm back. So let's try this again. So it is in the shade Soho, And this is just what it looks like. It's all, it's kind of like a bronzy color, sort of, like a light shimmery color. I really, really like it because it is just really shimmery, and I love a shimmery highlight. So some of the places I'm going to talk about are pretty common, and a few of them I had never heard of until I read about it. And now I thought I would like to share it with you guys. So, anyways, oh, and by the way, I also don't really know where any makeup brushes are, so I'm going to be using my fingers. Don't worry, they're clean. I just washed my hands. We're all good. The first place that I am going to apply highlight is my brow bone. So, applying highlights to your brow bone is an alternative to applying a white eyeshadow to your brow bone. It does the exact same thing. It just brings attention to that area. So I'm just applying it there. So yeah, it does the exact same thing. However, if you are applying highlight to other places of your face, then you could just go on and apply it up there. And this highlighter is so sparkly that it also just brings a little extra sparkliness to your brow bone. And I am sorry, guys, the lighting keeps changing. Movie video. This is what we get. Okay, so the next place that you can apply a highlight is to the center of your eyelid. And this, once again, just brings attention to that area of your eye. It just makes it stand out a little bit more. And I sometimes even do this instead of eyeshadow. And it just makes your eyes just look, in my opinion, a little bit more awake almost. And I haven't done this before, just because when I haven't been doing a lot of eyeshadow if I'm not filming a video. So sometimes I'll just do highlight, like I said, brow bone, center of eyes, in place of eyeshadow. But you could also apply an eyeshadow over top of it as well, if you wanted to. Now, the next place, this place I thought was kind of odd. This place helps contour your face. I am going to apply next highlight to the center of my forehead. And like I said, what this does is just helps contour the face. Another place to help contour the face is applying highlight down the bridge of your nose. Now this place is actually the second most common place I've heard to apply highlighter. Okay guys, so those are some places to apply a highlight. Some of them, like I said, are common and well known, like the brow bone thing. I feel like if you hear about it, you're like, okay, yeah, that makes sense. You can do that with eyeshadow, why can't you do it with highlight? Even the center of your eyelids, I feel like would make sense. The forehead thing is the newest one, is the most unique one to me. I hadn't heard about that one before until just a few weeks ago. So I just thought that was kind of interesting. And then, like I said, the bridge of nose one is fairly common too. So I just thought I would just share that with you and hang out with you guys for a few minutes. Bear with me as I am getting settled in. I will find all my cameras at some point, and I will have my filming room set up at some point. But until then, we may just be getting a tour of my apartment. So, I will see you all on Tuesday. That sounded really weird. Bye!